Hi guys, it's Bethany. I have a short video for you today. This is from a amazing company called Bistro Blanks. Now, this is not a new pen. This is a fixed pen. So, the story is I had bought a pen from them and loved it. I unboxed it in a previous video. If you're interested in checking it out, it is the Red Pearl pen that I unboxed from them. It was in a multiple pen order. Anyways, the tip on the pen was a silver metal tip, which I had requested a metal tip for the pen. Anyways, after a while, I decided that I wanted it to be a golden tip pen to match the aromatherapy end of the pen. So I went to replace it, but I tried pulling it out and I couldn't get it out. And so I ended up contacting them and I said, hey, is there a trick? Why can't I get this tip out? And they said that sometimes they put a little bit of hot glue in there if the tip is loose to make sure that it will fit snugly. Okay, so I ended up getting out my pliers, really pulling on the thing. It ruined my other tip because it took so much force to get it out. And so I ruined my tip, and when I had pulled it out, there was this air bubbling underneath the surface. So I checked back in with Bistro Blanks and I said, hey, this is what happened, and I appreciate the help that you gave me. I appreciate the information you gave me. And is there anything that I can do to, help fix this pen so it looks a little bit better? And their response was, I'm going to send you a prepaid shipping label. As soon as you get that, throw your pen in a package and send it to me and I'll fix it for you and send it back. Okay, I thought that was awesome. So this is my pen that I got back. First of all, I'm going to insert a short video clip here of what the damage I had done looked like. I also sent her this picture. It is the diamond belt on my pen had come off, was starting to kind of come off, and I said, hey, this is something too. And she was like, yeah, I can take care of that. So she totally fixed my pen, and I'm really excited to see what it looks like. I hope that it turned out okay. I was just going to keep, using the pen or as it was, because I really like the pen. And here it is. They resent me the pen. Not only did they fix it, but they also didn't charge me for shipping, which is I needed that because my finances are tight right now, and it helped me so much not having to spend that shipping. Although I happily would, pay that shipping. I happily would have paid that shipping, but I mean, they were so nice to me about this. Okay, so it came wrapped, good shipping, and bubble packaging. When I mailed it back to them, I had put it in bubble packaging as well. They sent me a card. That was definitely not something I expected to see in here, was a card, because we had done all of our communication through Facebook Messenger. And so, I mean, I feel like I owe them a thank you card. You know what I'm saying? It says, Bethany, I'm so sorry you had issues with this beauty, but she's all fixed up now. Go check them out. I'm going to leave some links for how to find them in the description box below. Check them out. They have various ways you can get pins. And you know what? I don't know. Did I send? I feel like I didn't even. I feel like when I sent it, I didn't send it in this pouch, because I have a pouch. Yeah, and my pouch is sitting here. So they even put it in another pouch. I had my pouch here. I didn't send the pin back in the pouch because I had this chain and these cute little Sakura add-ons that I had dangling from the top for the aromatherapy pin, and I thought, well, there's no need to send that with it. It just, adds a little bit of extra weight. So I'm not gonna send those. And then I wanted a place to store them all. Although apparently I didn't store the pin decorations in there. That was just sitting there. I don't know. Anyways. All right. Wow. Wow. I don't know how they did that. Oh my gosh, you guys. She even included a pen tip. This is not my pen tip. I'm pretty sure that's not my pen tip. Yeah, because that's rose gold, and that actually matches exactly the aromatherapy one. I was just going to put a regular gold one on there. This is even better. Plus, they gave it to me. As you can see, this belt is completely fixed. You can hardly even tell. This part, oh no, it wasn't on that part, it was on this side. My bad. Of course, obviously, I didn't take the aromatherapy part out. Oh my gosh. She included another charm. This is a 4-leaf clover. That's incredible. Me and my daughter have been finding 4-leaf clovers lately like crazy. We found this 4-leaf clover patch. Well, it's a 3-leaf clover patch because they're mostly 3-leaf clovers, but in this patch there is quite an abundance of 4-leaf clovers, and so we like to go to this spot that we have and get the 4-leaf clovers. This is really special to me, and I don't know if she had any idea. She might have looked on my Facebook page, but probably not. I mean, that's amazing. Yeah, okay. There's still a little, that bubbling is still there. However, it looks a little better than it was. This part is all smoothed out and nice. She gave me the tip. I mean, this definitely isn't going to affect functionality at all. And it's all sealed up. Like the parts where there were bubbles, it's not, if my memory serves me correctly, you could actually just kind of see under there the bubble, and there was space. Like if I had wanted to slip something really thin in there, I could have. This is all fixed and sealed up now. I will be curious if over time, if that changes at all. I might do a video, let you guys know, or just maybe comment later on in the description box. But I mean, that looks so much like this shinier white part of this pin that you can't hardly notice it unless you're, really observant like I am. So this looks great. And I just, huge shout out to them. Thank you so much. I mean, I did not even expect that I could get my pin fixed. But not only did I get my pin fixed, they did it for free. They paid for the shipping for it. And I'm not saying, I don't know, maybe they, I don't know if that's standard for them or not, but I'm blown away and I'm so thankful for it. They gave me another pin charm. They put it in a bag. That's amazing, you guys. Thank you so much to Bistro Blanks. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The one last thing I want to say is if you have any troubles with custom pins that you've bought from any turner, don't hesitate to reach out to them. I've seen a few turners talk about that on their pages or on other YouTube videos or in like Facebook posts. I've seen various turners post that before, to reach out to them if you have any problems with your pins, even if it's been a while since you've bought it. And so I recommend that you do that. I mean, this pin, I would still be using it, but it would not be as nice anymore if I hadn't reached out. And so, the worst that somebody can say is no. And then you're just, you're where you're at. Maybe you feel a little bit more embarrassed, or maybe it was, took a lot of guts to reach out, and that's a bummer. But, I think most of the time they're going to say yes. And I think most of the time they're going to go above and beyond, because if it's a good turner, I mean, you'll know. You can almost guarantee that they're going to treat you well. And Bistro Blanks, that is a great company. They make beautiful pins. They do a great job. And let me tell you, their customer service is out of this world. So thank you so much, Bistro Blanks, for this. I'm going to go diamond paint with this pin right now, actually. I'm working on Cat Crazy Chloe from Craftably, and I'm excited I'm going to use this pin right now. I'm going to fill it with some wax and go for it. I hope you guys have a fabulous week, and go reach out to your pin turner if you have a pin that needs fixed. Sometimes turners will even fix pins that aren't theirs. Yeah. This community is awesome. You guys are awesome. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.